Creating a blog in Systeme.io is easy and can be done in just a few steps. Here's how to get started. Log into your Systeme.io account. Go to Systeme.io and log in with your credentials. Access the blog section. From the dashboard, navigate to the blog tab in the main menu. If you don't see this option, it may need to be enabled in your settings or available on your subscription plan. Create a new blog post. Click Create New Post to start writing your blog. Enter the title of your blog post and start adding content using the built-in editor. You can format your text, add images, videos, and links. Customize the blog post. Personalize your blog's design by choosing from the available templates or customizing elements like fonts, colors, and layouts. Use tags and categories to organize your content for easy navigation. Set post visibility. Decide if you want the post to be visible to the public or private. Publish your blog. Once you're satisfied with the content and design, click Publish to make the post live.